You all always ask me about what essential oil companies I recommend, and I have another one to add to that list. I'm Erin. I'm a certified holistic aromatherapist with over 20 years working with essential oils. I'm also an herbalist, holistic health expert, and sound practitioner. I'm here to help you live a holistic lifestyle with ease. I did a video yesterday on the new Aroma True diffuser that I'm like completely just over the moon about. And what I haven't had a chance to tell you yet is that this company also has certified organic essential oils. So normally with a new company, I am not going to be one to jump on the bandwagon because I don't really know anything about that company. I don't really know if they're going to be around for the long term. Don't really know the quality of the essential oils, but this situation is a little bit different. I actually personally know the person that sourced and blended these essential oils. He is one of my recent teachers, Gabriel Moget. He's one of the top world authorities on essential oils, aromatherapy, all kinds of forms of natural medicine. I also have a relationship with this company a little bit because they're the sister company of Air Doctor, which is the air filter that I personally use and recommend. So this is why this is one instance where I'm going to try out the essential oils of a brand new company. So I have here their Comfort Collection has 4 essential oils in it that are for helping you to feel calm and at ease while you're at home. And the reason that these oils do this is that 3 of them are high in linalool, which is a compound that helps us to feel very relaxed. I am without question an essential oil snob, and the thing that I will tell you about the essential oils that I have experienced from AromaTrue so far is that they are some of the sparkliest, most beautiful, most opinionated, but in a good way, essential oils that I've ever experienced. And sparkle is the primary word that keeps coming to mind every time I'm experiencing these oils. If you're curious about trying any of these, there's actually a link in my profile for you to go to find them. First, we have sweet orange. This is one of the best sweet oranges I've ever smelled. Some of the sweet oranges kind of fall flat. This one is like the most beautiful, bright, sunny day. True lavender. It's just your classic lavender scent, very steady, calming, like a rock. Hoe wood, also known as hoe leaf. I just did a whole series on this. This is one of the most beautiful I've ever smelled. Biggest surprise of all was Palmarosa. I usually hate this essential oil, and this is one of the best smells I've ever smelled, period. Make sure you add yourself to my mailing list, and I appreciate likes, comments, shares.